What about a non-profitable business? Let's say there's an operation, there's suppliers, everything, but the seller for some reason is not able to, but there is kind of meat to this business. Like it seems that it can be, but it's not profitable. It's actually losing. Can people still sell that or no? This is something I thought about now. Continuing to question number two kind of thing. Like a non-profitable business, but maybe someone can make it profitable. So maybe they won't buy it for such a high multiple, but maybe they will still buy it. Do you have these cases, guys, or not necessarily?
So yes, actually there's many Amazon stores, that are working and are not profitable. Let's be truth about it. Most Amazon stores are not profitable.
I
Okay.
understand.
At least that's what we're seeing. So yes, it's definitely possible to buy and sell a business that's currently not doing well. Maybe it was doing well in the past. Maybe it has good potential. Maybe the work that was put into this business wasn't right. Maybe there was not enough funds. There's a bunch of different reasons, when Amazon store doesn't perform well. So yes, these are definitely available as well. They would most probably be priced much lower.
Mm-hmm.
And the thing is, it is harder to sell. Okay.
Yeah.
Because, we want to buy something, most people want to buy something that's already working and profitable.
Makes
Okay.
sense.
But on the other side, there are people that that know how to evaluate these types of businesses and also take them and make them profitable. So yes, that's 100% that's possible. I've done that myself as well. I've purchased businesses that were not doing well and are working and profitable today. So yes, that's definitely possible as well.
Pretty cool.